Hi everybody, it's Lee Jordan. I'm excited to share with you a few pieces from my holiday sale going on now. This is some video of my pine log ornaments, hand painted with acrylic and then 18 karat gold leaf accents. They are on actual little pine logs and the sizes vary, and they're $18 each right now. I've 10 online for sale, but I do have a few more available that I don't have shown here. Next up, some wood ornaments. These are on lightweight wood, again acrylic on with 18 karat gold leaf accents. A variety of mountain scenes for the most part. We have a few little wine bottle pieces, so teeny tiny wine bottles. These are great as gifts for housewarming, and you see they're all signed on the back. This is for all the ornaments that are made on wood. And here I'm just zooming back over to my pine log ornaments. I was doing a little bit of different video tweaks. That's all right. And then a really cool treat, I have some mini paintings. They're 3-inch paintings on acrylic, some with a gold leaf accent. Got a little zoom happy here, but you get the idea. These are great on a tiny easel for display in a small space or in a group on a wall. And you can see I have a letter and a number associated with each of those, and I'll have those on my website shortly for purchase. They are painted on all sides, and they are great. There are a few that I've oil pastel. And then lastly, I have a few special hand-painted shatterproof ornaments. These are acrylic paint on top of plastic balls, about 35 millimeter, I think, so they're a decent size. I hope you enjoyed this preview, and I look forward to sharing more soon.